love to do.
I know, I'm trying to set a new trend. It's fine, I'm used to getting up early for school.
So this is like a Monday.
Yeah, 5 o'clock every morning.
Yeah.
Are we excited? Fun day at the beach. Yeah. Chicken fighting. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. So whose team's gonna win? Because I think it's gonna be mine.
We already called it.
I don't think so. You know. I put up a tough competition in this chicken fight.
Don't let the fake eyelashes fool you.
I know. We all look so dainty.
We're assigning clothing. Or just try that on, and then we can always work with things.
They're just amazing, bright, beautiful floral designs, and they can flatter like anyone. I love the rompers. They're so cute.
No, it's just a little long. Had to, tighten it. It's like a little pretty. These designs are from Milan International.
Don't feel no way. Feel good vibe make you feel irate. Now
Elon keeps our Miss Florida Team USA moving fashion forward.
2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So what do you think of the dress, Brown?
I love them. Look how pretty it is. I love this gown from La Casa Hermosa. Yeah.
Step out onto the other side, baby. Step out into the world. We gonna step out onto the other side, baby. Step out into the world.
1, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4.
The most beautiful gowns in the house. La Casa Hermosa of Wellington.
6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Close.
Perfect for the pool or beach.
It's Desiree Necessian Swimwear.
Directly from Rio, it's Desiree Narcessian Swimwear. Hi, we're gonna go to the beach.
Yeah, we're gonna go to the beach, play chicken fight.
We just ate some fruit, we were starving.
Do I have a chicken? I don't know if I have a chicken fighting partner, because somebody's a chicken fighting partner thief.
Sorry. Chicken fights, we're gonna be very competitive, we're gonna have a lot of fun, and hopefully we have winners. We are going outside to the beach.
Four?
We're gonna do the run and the chicken fight. It's so pretty.
It feels great. Perfect beach day.
And I'm about to take off these heels and get nice and wet and have some fun.
Chicken fight.
Pulling hair, no scratching, and make sure everything happens below the face. This is the money maker right here.
We need this.
Yeah. Okay, 1, 2, 3, chicken fight!
Hey! Okay, everybody, partner up. So what do you think?
It's crazy! So much fun!
How'd they do?
Really good. We were out within like 3 times. Well, I got out in the first round. We're such a good team, totally. Oh yeah. It was good. Awesome. Singular hit. Awesome. Woo. Let's do this.
Okay. Okay. How was it?
We're a team 305, and we are here to win it. You won it once. Yeah, twice. And we're so much strong. Woo! From Hollywood Beach,
And that's a wrap.
For everything Miss Florida USA, all you need is a computer. Join the online video revolution with our Miss Florida USA YouTube channel. Now you can go behind the scenes like never before. Watch exclusive videos. Then follow the excitement year-round as we tour the state in search of next year's title holders. Join the online video revolution, the Miss Florida USA channel on YouTube.
I'm ready. This is my little journey. I am prepared, always. Ta-da!
So you believe the ability to accessorize is very important?
Yes, of course. That's what makes the outfit accessories.
What's going on, Alexi?
We are cheering on our runners because there is a race going on and there's so many of them. No, I said how to. And it's still going. It's still going. Still going.
Tons and tons of people out of breath.
So what's going on?
There is a marathon going on and we're cheering and giving so much encouragement to all the runners.
Wow, modeling and sports, huh?
There's a lot of people with American flags in honor of today. So we're cheering on their patriotism as well. So one of the runners just threw me this, and it has fire trucks and it has police officer cars to represent the 10 years of 9/11. So it's really cool.
Wow, that was so much fun even though we lost.
Yeah, we lost really bad.
Yeah.
It was
but
awful.
it's okay, we had fun.
And we have next year, so don't worry. We will be back for the chicken fighting competition. That's gonna be the main event.
the pageant.
Yeah, the pageant, we can wait. The chicken fighting competition, it's going down next time, definitely.
Let me see those muscles.
Right here.
Wow.
Yeah, she's probably strong. Oh yeah. This is probably why we lost. This is not
No
working.
strength.